Ready, sir?
I am quite ready.
We're going.
So, you didn't hear the hullabaloo about our
I
costume.
did, I saw it. Yes.
Apparently, it says the costume dubbed Annie Palmer pays homage to the 18th owner of the Rose Hall plantation. But some folks on social media never too like that. One Twitter user said Annie Palmer is literally known for torturing black enslaved men. She's the wicked white witch. I can't even understand how someone would think it's a good idea. The legend of Annie Palmer has had a significant cultural impact in Jamaica. Her story is known across the world, having been widely spread by members of the diaspora, as well as persons who have visited Rose Hall House. It's a part of Jamaican history. End of discussion, says another Twitter user. Did you have any thoughts on that?
There was a lot of debate. I think it was a little unfortunate, given everything that happened, a little unfortunate that she was the target of a lot of what was being spewed on social. She did respond, and her response wasn't the best.
Was not the best.
Was not the best. But, you know, at 19 years old and you go and you take on this awesome responsibility, you need people around you who can help you to craft messages and so on and so
I have
forth.
a question.
Yes?
Don't the Miss Jamaica, the Miss Universe, the Miss World people, don't we usually wear our like colors or?
You have a range of costumes, so there might have been a national costume in there that she would have worn on another day.
Yeah.
But for the
This is what they're complaining about.
This is what they're complaining about.
Yeah,
And the fact that it was tied to Annie Palmer and Annie Palmer's history of
So it's
being
not the
a
dress
slave
them
owner.
don't like, it's just the hookup with Annie Palmer.
Well, some people never liked the dress either. Some people were saying the dress was beautiful. Views were mixed on the dress, but there was more, unanimity. For more folks who were bonded around the fact that they thought it was a bad move generally
The Annie Palmer
because
move.
of who she is.
Question again. How much
yes.
she come?
I don't know. I was asking Kay to check. I'm not sure if she plays.
She come in the top 5?
I
No.
don't think
She
so.
come in the top 10?
Don't think so.
Not in the top 20? Okay.
We're still proud of her for we can't be, but Jamaica, we have to be proud of her for representing us too, you know. Social media had their bit. You had folks who were defending her and, you know, wishing her the best, saying that this was not the right time for Jamaica, quote unquote, Jamaica social media to be attacking her while she was there trying to represent us. The Miss Jamaica Universe organization came out to defend the theme for the choice, for the costume, saying it was intended to lead to teachable moments for young people. They say they weren't seeking to glorify slavery nor promote witchcraft, but they were trying to tell another part of Jamaica's story. They said that attacking Miss Universe, viciously attacked on social media for wearing the costume, is unacceptable. She's at a critical time in her young life, and at 19, she's worked hard, she's invested time, and so on and so forth.
But I want to show you
people
something.
weren't having that either.
I'd like to show you something.
Yeah, show me
And
now.
I feel if she had on this dress, she would have win.
Okay.
Right, you're working with me, please. Anyway, she will put
It's not
on
the
this.
dress alone, though, but you're going to do something foolish. I can't... Okay, let's see.
I'm not doing anything foolish. As a matter of fact, if this person had gone to Miss Universe, she win easy. Don't look at this, folks. And tell me, say, me is not the greatest.
Oh, my
man I ever
God, who is... Mommy, are you...
Sam
Mommy?
Maroney.
Mommy?
Wait, hold on, now. Stop. I'm showing you a picture on my phone and you're
This
calling
has-
your mother. You want your mother to beat
Because
me?
I'm sure she's the one who sent it.
You call your mother, you think she's going to beat me?
Mother?
No, but I don't understand.
Mommy?
this.
She will, you know. She will be.
She will beat me?
Papa.
No, but it's
Mommy?
oh, you know, can
Mommy,
I just...
put your phone down. Put the phone down. You need to stop. Stop. What's wrong with you? Don't. Stop.
Well.
There are no more.
See what I don't understand. I have friends all over the place, and you start calling your mother. First, like you think I'm scared of your mother, like she's going to come and beat me up. Say another one. Say another one, yeah. I say, yeah, it's a teachable moment I'm giving you, you know. So next time when you go Miss World, lick one of them just say, you know. As a matter of fact, send some around.
Did Harold just call me Miss Panganut? That's where I am.
No, it's Delia.
Harold-
Delia is Miss Panganut. You can't get that. You're more like Miss Neesberry. I said pronounce. His knees or Naysbury. I would pronounce. Because I don't want to call it a wrong thing. Eh? Where's Richard? Is knees or nays? We have to get it right. I feel it's nays, Mary. Knees, all right. Ladies and gentlemen.
I feel more like I'm Miss Jackfruit right now.
The second runner-up is Miss Neesbury, right? By the way, Zozibini Tunzi was crowned Miss Universe. She's from South Africa.
I hate all of you.
Miss Puerto Rico was second. I think Miss Puerto Rico win the most of them things. And Miss Mexico was third.
By the way, that South African woman is so beautiful. Look
Yeah,
at her.
man.
She's so beautiful.
She says, and I quote, I grew up in a world where a woman who looks like me with my kind of skin and my kind of hair was never considered to be beautiful. I think it is time that that stops today. I want children to look at me and see my face, and I want to see their faces. I want them to see their faces reflected in mine. That's
There's a
beautiful.
post that she's just made because apparently people have come out since her win to tear her down in social and curse her and say she shouldn't have won and she too this and she too black and she too, which is, you know, the world we live in. She's just very calmly come out and said exactly what she said a while ago. So,
Yeah, man. Beautiful.
good for you, lady.
All right, we're going to move on because we're not going to do the last one. Only to say I'm reading that 5,000 child labor cases in Clarendon
Alone.
5,000 in Clarendon alone, which is not necessarily good news.